So hi guys, karon doon na po tao clap clap basta ako nakita rin ako. So so horror game na siya guys. Horror siya. So yeah, magduwa ta. Feel na ko paano ka ng pak ba. If you're happy when you know it, clap your hands. October 8th, 1984. Yeah, I saw an ad in the newspaper about a house sitting job. Mhm. Since I was short on cash, I decided to find out. So, sumi nga. Guilty nga be. Wait, here ni sumi. Oh, tong kamot. So guys, watay lawas guys. Okay. So pagdagan. Find Maskim's house. Okay. Oh, tao din ide. Hello. Excuse me. Trying to find a house on the street. Could you help me out? Sure. We show you little boy. I'm looking for Muskim's place. He hired me to look up. Yes, I want to keep an audience while he's away. Well, I hope you enjoy setting it up. Thanks again for the recent sample. No problem. If you need anything, I'm just a house already. Yes, sir. Bunso ka na siya dira. So, um, so money, dili hambay. Noted. So, my God. This must be it. Kuya, huwag tayong sukuan eh. Okay, nasa backyard. I think they said they put it in the shelf. Oh, tara. Let's see this room. Okay, let's go. Money. Money. Uy, tabang. Mana gini kangitnya? Oh my god. Okay, so smart company. So far. Hey, thanks for housekeeping. Please make sure to check the mailbox, water the plants, throw out the trash, biscuit the plants. Okay. Okay, check out our rooms. Simana, tanong. Kaya wag. Oh, shish. Pinagpakay. Dyan eh. Oh, kuha eh. Nice. Oh, hinawa mo kuha naman. So far so good. Bossing. Oh, na ba? Okay. So nga natin guys. Maduko ka kadakuan guys. Hihihi. Okay. We're close. Nice. Okay, so kita mo sa dira. Gaming room. So far, so good. Nakadya na. Gaya mo abla ni kasi. Sulit day. May pwede mo sulit ito, diba? I'm sorry na guys. Pwede na pwede. Check by. Di ma... Alright. No. True yan eh. Yeah. I agree. To-do list. First up, gotta grab the mail. Can't leave the around. Mail. Ay, basurahan mo dahil eh. Buto. Aha. Missing. Zone covers in the sea, so everyone's for Salford, the park wearing a black sweater and black hat. So, Bill sorted. Time to show there's plans on the... Para di mo mahadlok guys. Okay, kuhan mo na siya guys. Motor. Okay guys. Okay. Nasa tarungan na to sa'yo. Okay. Liga na sa sound. Sorry. Ablihan na ito tanan. Kaya nga na ito ka-choy. Trash. Saan din buko ka?
Hello there.
Oh my god. Commission to the Federal Investigation Bureau. I need to ask you a few questions. Sige boss, padayon boss. Okay, sure. Isa ba? You're not the person sense of the smartest. Never good. Okay. Boss, pwede ito magkuhay boss. Are you sure? We've recently used more to this neighborhood than meets the eye. Yeah, 100%. Just take that trash. Alright, make it curious and you need to go back on this. Okay, boss. Thanks, no problem. Stay safe out there. Napagin sila yung achievement. FBI opened up. So, kasurahan. Ay, lihan pa yan din. Okay. Ready. Okay na. Get some phone notification. Let's go. Guys. Okay. Okay. Sorry guys. Nagpahuwero ka dito. So yeah. Okay. Kaya natin to. Lakit. Paglas gani. Kuhan. Sa to? Basta. Bakit? Hello? Uy, makasprint ko. Isa to? Yeah. Ah. Um. Oh. Okay, na-hold na. Uh, simula. No. Ang mga itik. No. Ah. Fuck. Ano ba? Okay. Wala. Guys. Okay. Shoot yun. Okay. Makasprinta ha. Noted. Okay. Hindi, sirado na. Salamat. Sirado ni. Ay, saan nga nalido ko kapil. Okay. So far, what type of account? Panic? Oh. Put cereal, okay. Let's go. Na. Are? Lay on bed. Okay. Okay. Uy. Dol. Boss, di ay. Natuog man ka. Okay. Remote. Uy. Alas. Diyos ko ritete. There's get up, uy. Oh. Above space. Saan ba? Nagkibuhanan ako rin. Laki ta. Ha? Masig mo. Sabi. Ha? 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 Oh. Bagsik mo. Isa to. Ano ka? Ha? Dali. Isa ka. Bagsik ka. Dali ba? No! Guys. Rattled me guys. Saan sa button? Again? Bright. Cari nito go. So, asan to? Isa. Naginawaas ako please. Guys, nangurig dito ako guys. Tabang. Uy. Check. Check. Guys. Oh! Ayan! Uh, ayan. Ayan, dagan. Or. Oh, leave. Okay. No. Itong silingan. No. Oh! No. No. Leave. All clear, all clear, all clear. Ayun lang dira. Kay murag kuan, nanganin. Nagan. Ah, okay. Mm, mm. Mhm. Police station. While investigating, the authorities found Marcus' lifeless body in his house. Meanwhile, Maxim's remains were found scattered sa lagi. Taga ano pa mao to lagi. So remains of it. So Sabo, katotong atong nakita ang pag-una, di ba? Wala po siya. So guys, ano na guys, dito mahadlok. Okay, so mission solved. Leaving an unsettling mystery behind. Thank you for playing my first ever indie horror game. Nice. Nindot. I hope you enjoyed playing as much as I enjoyed making it. I will be releasing more horror games in the Nightmare from File series. You can stay up to date on my YouTube channel, Ray Castley Games or Twitter at Ray Castley. Oh, okay. Eh. Ah, so si Maxim. Okay. So far, mga ito guys, clap. Eh, so patigatry siya guys. Naabtan ako 2 hours kay... Oh. So yeah. Bye. Pingan i-play ko balik.
O cholera, czy to Freddy Fazbear? Oh.